Today I will show you how to change navigation font on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, I want you to find the website that you want to change the navigation font for. Once you find that website, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now we're going to go to website. From website, we're going to go to pages. And on the pages, we can find the navigation here. Now, this navigation is the same thing as these items that are listed here. And there are actually two ways to change the font of this navigation. But the first method includes clicking on this site styles brush here. From here, you're going to choose the font. And here, you're going to change the font. But what happens with this method of changing the font is that it's not going to change the font for just the navigation. It's going to change for the whole site. So I don't advise this method of changing the font. What I'd advise you to do is exit, and you're gonna go back to pages. Now right on the pages, if you scroll down, you see custom code. You're gonna click on custom code and you're gonna go to custom CSS. We want to go to the navigation of the page where it previews the page. You're going to go to the navigation, you're going to click on an item on the navigation, and you're going to right click, you're going to inspect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look for the container that wraps the navigation links. So these are all links that lead to other pages. So we do this and we open it up a bit more. You can see this is the container. So this is what we are looking for, this container. And once we go down, we see the nav list, and here we can find each item. So we want this class, we want to copy this class for this container that has each of the links. We're going to copy that, paste that here. We're going to add a dot to it. We're going to add an a link because we want every link that's under this div, because this is where you find them. Once you over the div and you go into the div, you're going to find a link for each item. So this link is the individual item. So from here, we're going to change the, so let's say we want to change the, font size. Let's close this up a bit. So open. Let's say we want to change the font size to what, 8px. Leave this here. We're gonna save and we're gonna refresh. So open this up. You realize the font has changed for the navigation. Now we're doing this in mobile version because I need you guys to see what it looks like on the element. Else, if you open it up and you do it on the desktop version, it should give you the same results. And you can change the font family. You can change the font size. You can change the font color. You can change basically anything here, and this is not gonna affect the rest of the page, because as you see here, the text for the rest of the page is gonna remain the same. The only thing that's gonna change is this part of it. Now that's how to change navigation fonts on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.